KOIN 6 weather alert is in place for tomorrow as severe thunderstorms are supposed to threaten the Portland area. But what exactly does that mean for you at home? KOIN 6 meteorologist Josh Cozart explains.
Strong to severe thunderstorms aren't a common occurrence in the Pacific Northwest. So when a severe thunderstorm warning is issued, it may be concerning for some. Let me start off by explaining what makes a storm severe. 58-mile-per-hour winds, hail the size of an inch in diameter, and the formation of a tornado is all considered severe. Lightning, however, does not fall under the severe category, but can still be deadly. In preparation of severe weather before the storm even strikes, make sure to protect your property. Put your cars under cover, protect sensitive plants from large hailstones, and secure lawn furniture so it doesn't go blowing in the wind. And if you find yourself under a severe thunderstorm warning, seek shelter indoors. Avoid windows, bodies of water, and isolated objects. And never seek shelter under a tree. And unfortunately, some of that higher criteria to see severe thunderstorms, the 58-mile-per-hour winds, inch in diameter, hail, and the tornado development, all a possibility as we work our way towards the weekend. That's why we've gone ahead and issued that KOIN 6 weather alert. It goes into place late tonight to prepare us for the active weather that we anticipate to see about this time tomorrow night. So we are now within the next 24 hours of potentially seeing some strong, if not even damaging storms for some of our area. Right now, all is calm, quiet, and clear as we take a live look out over downtown Portland at this hour. Temperatures managing to get back up into the low 80s. We are going to continue to see those clouds decreasing across our region as those temperatures slide back into the 70s. Winds out of the west at about 10 miles per hour. And as we see those clouds starting to break apart across the Portland, Vancouver metro area, it's going to be a much different picture as we work our way into tomorrow afternoon and evening. All because of this storm system starting to develop just offshore over the Pacific Ocean. It's going to pack one of the bigger punches that we've seen as far in the thunderstorm department as of late, as we expect to see maybe a lingering rumbler here and there out towards the northeast corner of the state, but all is calm, quiet, and clear for us out towards the west. Until tomorrow afternoon, the time frame looks to be right around 4 o'clock or so. A marginal risk, the dark green, that's 1 out of 5 chance to see severe thunderstorms. And the very rare for our area, slight risk, about a 2 out of 5 chance for severe thunderstorms, does include parts of the I-5 corridor, the foothills of the Cascades, and parts of south central Washington, where hail, abundant lightning, and localized flooding is all a possibility tomorrow afternoon. You can see one of our snapshots of the evening time frame about 4 or 5 o'clock, expecting some of the heavier showers to move their way from the south to the north. Again, the time starts at 4 o'clock. It all wraps up by just about midnight or so as that threat starts to wane moving into Sunday. As far as those afternoon temperatures go, though, for tomorrow, back up into the mid-80s. You add in the additional moisture, and it's really going to start to feel quite muggy out there for Saturday afternoon through the evening hours. That's going to add a lot of instability in our atmosphere. So as we take that warm, moist air, we lift it up into the atmosphere. It cools, condenses, and gives us that thunderstorm activity. This is where we have some of the greatest potential energy across our area as we start to see that back after sunset tomorrow, taking us all the way into Sunday and Monday. But with that also comes the chance for widespread lightning strikes. You can see them increased here across our area. The good news is a lot of these storms will have enough moisture to reduce the wildfire threat, all because of those lightning strikes. So there is the silver lining there, at least for the I-5 corridor and parts of the Cascades. Now it's going to be toasty out there, maybe some great pool weather. You can do that earlier in the day. But when thunder roars, be sure to head indoors, because if you're close enough to hear the thunder, you're close enough to be struck. Our futurecast does show that those clear skies take us through the rest of this evening into the start of the day tomorrow. More sunshine on the docket for us before this next storm system moves in. A bit of a scary looking face there with our forecast and model simulation, but some of the bullseyes for the heaviest of the rain potential as it tracks its way from the south to the north. 7 o'clock in the evening, kind of the prime time before it all starts to fizzle out late into the evening hours. And then we are mostly on the dry side for Sunday, helping to fill up the rain gauge close to 1/4 inch through the Willamette Valley, nearing almost a 1/2 inch for the coast, as flash flood watches also remain in effect over the Cascades. 59 degrees, that's where we fall to tonight. Tomorrow, thunderstorm activity will start to ramp up as we get back up into the mid-80s. That KOIN 6 weather alert in place for Saturday. don't be caught off guard. It's going to be a very nice start to the day. The sunshine will warm things up, and then the thunderstorms get underway at about 4 o'clock in the evening and then die out by midnight, and then smooth sailing for the rest of the week.
Okay, yeah, and that's of course why you say it's a weather alert day. Be sure to let your friends and loved ones know there's that window of time where you just have to really pay attention.
Yeah, keep an eye to the sky.
Yeah, thank you, Josh.
Well, you can beat the rain tomorrow.